We are back again and I'm here to make you meet a very special person. Sohit, say hi.
Hi.
So today we have with us Sohit Katuria and he's getting his Sarayu Insta Brightening Facial. कैसा लग रहा है सोहित?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है। वो black hairs वाला part was really good.
So is it like relaxing? Are you liking it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay. So what part are we doing right now? अभी हम क्या step करें?
इसके बाद ये अल्ट्रासाउंड कर रहे हैं, हम इस जेल को पेनिट्रेट कर रहे हैं। इसके बाद हमारे मैसेज
WhatsApp.
Okay.
I can actually feel that. It's not that just I'm saying it, but the parts they are doing, I'm actually feeling the difference as well.
Right.
Feel हो रहा है, मतलब just being there.
Right, because we are infusing the serums and everything with the help of ultrasound in your skin. So guys, for all of those who follow Dr. Adarsh, I came live today for this particular patient just to show you that we are not just in surgical treatments, we also do non-surgical treatments like laser hair removals, facials. For that you need to follow our other page, that is Sarayu Clinics, where you will find offers for the facials, the facelift procedures, non-surgical, and your laser hair removals. And I'm very excited to see his result. You too, right? Great. So let's stay tuned. We'll just post this result. How much does this cost? So the costing and everything, as I told you, please follow Sarayu Clinics. और जितने भी हमारे नॉन सर्जिकल प्रोसीजर्स हैं उसकी आपको सारे इन्फॉर्मेशन की कौन कौन से नॉन सर्जिकल प्रोसीजर्स होते हैं, मेडिकल फेशियल्स होते हैं, यू विल फाइंड ऑन Sarayu Clinics Instagram page. Also we have some very special offers going on for Christmas and New Year. You will be able to get a lot of discounts. So that's all for now. So it's a bye.
Bye.
Bye bye guys.